It's been my pleasure to serve as the president of the Canadian Veterinary Medical Association this past year, and I want to provide you with some highlights of the amazing things that your national organization has done. The CVMA advocates on behalf of the profession, with our priorities being animal welfare advocacy, leadership on national and international issues, and provision of career and life resources. Certainly, these last few months have proven to be a tumultuous time. I'm very proud of the efforts of our COVID-19 working group, which served to guide veterinary teams with credible, up-to-date information and tools. In our support of national and global strategies to improve antimicrobial stewardship, we've established a 4-year project which will include the expansion of our online antimicrobial guidance tool and the implementation of a sustainable antimicrobial use data collection capability. For the 5th year, March was designated our National Tick Awareness Month. This year's resources highlighted the unique seasonality of ticks and increased awareness of the One Health approach to tick control and Lyme disease prevention. The Animal Welfare Committee has been working at full force on various projects, including a cattery code and small mammal code. They'll be contributing to the National Farm Animal Care Council Transport Code as well. These codes will mirror the changing values towards animals that have emerged over the last decade. The committee is also in various stages of progress of nearly 20 position statements, which are meant to guide the profession and also to educate the public on the veterinary viewpoint of select issues. Your national organization is also working to protect the integrity of the profession through administering the national exams for Canadian and internationally trained veterinarians and the accreditation of all Canadian veterinary colleges and veterinary technician and technology programs. The CVMA fosters the highest standards of veterinary medicine across Canada. In 2019, the National Examining Board issued 632 certificates of qualification. Almost half of those certificates were issued to internationally trained veterinarians, thus significantly increasing the number of veterinarians across Canada. This is good news considering that our profession is facing a labor shortage, which was confirmed by the CVMA 2020 workforce study. The shortage, which existed pre-COVID, is anticipated to continue post-pandemic. A full report of the workforce study will be available to members in the August edition of the Canadian Veterinary Journal. In respect to well-being, we've tailored resources to help our profession from student days through to managing practice and planning for retirement. I'm particularly proud of our mental health initiative, which included an awareness week last fall and is continuing with quarterly webinar sessions and access to resources. We'll also continue to provide our business management program, which includes provincial suggested fee guides, as well as reports on compensation and benefits for associate veterinarians. These resources are designed to help members run successful practices and prepare for their future. This is just a fraction of the CVMA initiatives over the last 12 months. I want to express my sincere gratitude to everyone involved in the CVMA. As outgoing president, I'm truly humbled to have had the opportunity to be involved with our national association, representing Canadian veterinarians and being surrounded by passionate and engaged people. Thank you.